Alright guys, first things first, this is the box I am using. It is a large sized box I found after quite a bit of research because it should match with the mirror tiles we're gonna use. The size of the box is an absolute match to the mirror tiles I'm using. This is the tiles I'm using. I got 44 pieces for £15. It was on a second hand or reselling basis. The size of the one mirror tile is 20 by 7.5 by 0.4 centimeter in width, depth and thickness. We need two more things, but we come back to it later. The box arrived in very good condition. I had a plan to attach different kind of furniture legs into it, but the box already comes with the caster wheels and it's kind of glued into it, so I think it's better not to touch it. The beveled mirror tiles arrived safe and sound. It's beautiful. Then I give the box a good clean to remove the grease and possible dirt. I'm using mirror adhesive. I think not all glue can be go with mirrors because it will damage the layer behind the mirror, so just keep that in mind. I'm using a generous amount of glue, and you should follow the instructions of the kind of product you are using. I made sure the edge of the mirror meet with the other side perfectly. The mirror tiles are of very thin size and not so heavy at all, so I didn't need to wait a long time in between making all the sides. I finished this project within an hour. The final thing we need is a lid for the box. For that I'm using a rectangle mirror. Here you can see it's a large rectangle wall mirror. I got it for less than £10, so here it is. Here I am removing the fixations from the backing board of the mirror. Then I am gluing on few beads on four sides so it will not slip around while we place it on top of the box. The entire project came out successfully and it looks so beautiful and stunning. It looks so pricey as well. Comparing to the price I spent, it looks much expensive. So if you like it, give me thumbs up and subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.